Beautiful ignited souls, I am Crimey Queen, your partner in crime. Of course, I've appointed myself as your partner in crime. Okay, breaking the law of silence. Of course, it's usually on things that, people don't often speak on, and we usually delve into scriptures and numerology. But on this presentation, we are going to speak on the subject of dreams. Now, I feel as a dreamer, I perhaps should have been talking about dreams like every day, But anyway, everything in divine timing. So, I want to acknowledge dreams because I feel they're very much a part of who we are. And I did the numerology value on for dreams. Of course, I circled the letter E in here, like representing energy or Eve. And of course, we have five as the key. So I did this and to also show that what are dreams? There's four on both ends of dream, and I felt yes. So basically I did the video and accidentally deleted it, so I'm thinking for whatever reason I'm just going to do another one. So we have four and four, and that's why I was feeling that the REA in the middle of the word dream consists of 951, which is 15. 15 is often found new in the middle of the spectrum of our template, which is NEW. This comes to 15, and 15 is new. So basically, when we are in a dream state, I feel dream is really sending us or giving us some kind of definition or meaning to letting us know that when you are in dream, of course there's always a chance of getting some new information, new insight, new stuff, whatever it is. And well, as I say, I'm a dreamer, and I actually feel that it is important that we look at dreams. Now, I have been working on the 14 gods, the five gods that we, of course, I call it the master key, but also it felt a little bit like intense, and I think so to just break the dichotomy, if you like, or just to break things down a bit, I thought I would just speak on dreams and entertain you in a dream-like state. Okay, so why did I really decide to speak on dreams is that I had a dream that, I just felt I needed to speak on it, not really go into the details of it, but what happens when we dream. And so, basically looking at the numerology value for the word dream, looking at the two fours at the end of the word dream, which is D and M, DM, direct message me. I think that's what dreams are saying. Okay, so we'll have this one as a, like entertainment. That's what I mean about having something to break things down a little. So when you actually have a dream, I think we need to show this again. It's really saying direct message. Of course, in the dream state, this is what we go in for, and we are, of course, open, if you like, to the the messages. We open the messages, or we access the messages. That's it. We access the messages. And so because it's number five as well, the of course that is a key. We could say it's also the master key to unlocking different realms. It's almost like like I had the figure eight as well. It's almost like where you have a little twist, and it lets you into one realm, and one realm from one realm to another. Okay. So, number five is that key that unlocks the vaults, the bolts from one realm to another. It's just like your house. You can lock yourself in, you can lock yourself out, or wherever you go in your car, you lock in or you lock out. And that is what dreams are. So, dreams are basically helping us, if you like, they're the key to helping us decipher our waking life. It helps us decipher problems or issues or concerns or questions we may have. Notice, or you may have noticed, that scripturally it appears to be that dreams and visions have been the most prominent way or most significant way that God communicated, or the creator communicated with mankind. Of course, there is always nature, but in the waking world, it's what we see around us. But in the dream state or vision is where it seemed to correlate with our spirituality, which is where we take that information and decode that information into our waking state. And so it was with the Apostle Saul, one of the most prolific apostles, later named Paul for his conversion to Christianity, as we learn. And so, on his mission to persecuting whoever he could find, at the time before his conversion, he was struck with blindness. In this blindness, he heard his name being called twice, Saul, Saul. And of course, it would have been Jesus who would have spoken to him and to say, "Why are you persecuting me?" And so Paul had this direct communication with Jesus, but it was again in a dream or vision. And this is something very profound that would have changed and transformed his life. And so he was led to either Damascus or wherever it was. And at the same time, another man who was, of course, a follower of God or Christian, whoever you want to put it at, he too was given a dream. His name was called once in that dream, and he says, "Here I am." So basically, he was the one to restore Paul's sight. And restoring Paul's sight, of course, all this was through visions. Now, what we see in those stories, and this is just one of many stories in the Bible, that dreams and visions had been the Creator's way of communicating with mankind. Of course, now we seem to rely more on Google for the definition of our dreams and visions, if we even care to try and find out what significance they have. So I am urging that we pay attention to our dreams and vision and see what messages that they hold. They're like letters, or of course, like in your inbox. This is your spiritual inbox, in short. And very often we have many mails, or we could say dreams or visions that we do not care to open or decode or even examine. My understanding, and this is how I feel for the longest, that I have been in the world of dreams, and I go through different realms, I go through different realms. We go through those different realms. So I'm basically saying, even through biblical messages, we see that that has always been part of our makeup. This is how we access information, through dreams and visions. And of course, we have the different dream states and so on. So I just thought I would share this because some people don't remember their dreams, others do, of course. But I feel it's also to encourage you that not to be dismissive of your dreams, because they can really be the key to your fully awaken in this lifetime. Yes, just to encourage you that if you have dreams, of course, pay attention to your dreams, your visions, because they are not just a construct of our makeup that we should give little attention to. If anything, we perhaps should give quite a lot of attention to our dreams and our visions. And we see that happen all through the Bible. This is how angels appeared through dreams and visions. And of course, now we understand we don't only dream when we go to sleep, we daydream as well. If you're like me, you can daydream as well. So, dream is dream. I just thought I would encourage you on that and to find the significance of dreams and pay attention. I mean, I would dream things and, just access them immediately, or I open my door and I see a person I have dreamt of, or, it could be in whatever form. So, and I have solved many of issues for dreams as well. I have encountered many great insights through dreams. So, pay attention to your dreams, people, because they are messages from different realms which we cannot detach ourselves from altogether, because we are of those other realms, if you like. It's like having some family abroad. I'm here in the UK and I have family in the Caribbean or in the United States, and of course, I communicate with them that way, as though we were on the phone in the waking, but in the spirit realm, it's dreams. So, I hope you are encouraged by that. Please leave your comments, like and subscribe to the channel as well, and stay ignited.